Playtime is where kids learn and grow, but it's also where they pick up sweat, dirt, and invisible germs. Okay lang to.
Shoot mo na ang ball. I-shoot mo na ang ball. Ang sarap mag-basketball. I-shoot mo na ang ball.
Hay, nakakapagod naman.
Pagkatapos na laro, pagod at lagkit ang matitira. But the danger is not the dirt you see, it's the germs left behind. Vince, kaligo na! Kinuha ni Vince ang tamang panlaban, ang safeguard. Safeguard. It is triple shield technology, washes away 99% of germs, providing a shield of protection that lasts. Other soaps just clean, but Safeguard gives 24-hour protection.
Safeguard by Camilla. Shook, 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 shook. Enjoy ang pamilya. Shook, 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 shook. Shoo away germs. Shook, shook, shook. Shoo away germs. Shook, shook, New Safeguard by Camilla.
Safeguard, pamilyang protektado, pamilyang panalo. Mag-safeguard na!